Okay guys, so today I finally moved on and I got some real fidget spinners. I don't have like the Lego ones. I went ahead and got some real fidget spinners. So now I have them. There. So now I have some real fidget spinners. Got two of them. I got a gold and just a plain old white one. So I had the idea. I've seen people supercharge them on YouTube. So I decided, well, I'm going to try it. So I'm going to do it with the white one first. And let's see what happens. This thing is going crazy. It's flying. This I could bounce you forever. This is going so fast, it's unbelievable. Like, whoa. Meow. Meow. This is that noise in the background. That's the air compressor. It just puts so much air that this thing is like crazy. Seriously, no. Well, now you know what a black dog looks like. But this thing is going crazy fast. So try and stop it. Okay. Let's try it with the gold one. This is like vibrating my hand. This is so fast, guys. Do not try this at home, and if you do, put gloves on. Because let's try touching it. Okay, yeah, don't do this at home unless you have gloves. I know what I shouldn't do. So, air compressor turned off. We finally have enough air to do it again. But this is crazy fast. I mean, I don't even know how to say how crazy this is. It's going flying. So I'm going to stop it. I'm going to try and do them both on the ground. So, let's get this one. This one. They're both flying now. We could do like a match of Beyblades. Oh, guys, I think I broke it. I mean, it is still spinning, but I think I broke it. Ooh, wow. So that's what happens when you spin it. And it's cool. It's great. So I'm going to stop it. Stop it. It's a little loose, but I'll just put it on here for now. Because it still works and everything, just it's a little loose. And all that stuff. So I'm going to set these right here. I'm actually going to try doing like dropping it. Oh! You see that loose part just came back off. That's to show you this thing flies. That's cool. Now I had an idea. Well, I did it with the real fidget spinners. So now let's try it with the Lego fidget spinners. Let's start off with this one. Now this is flying. Like Jeff Gordon NASCAR. Now that was fast, if I do say so myself. Let's try the bigger one. This is so fast, it's like vibrating my hand. It's crazy, but okay. Let's try it with this one. If you hear, listen to the sound of this. Because these are Legos, they don't spin as long. But that is me trying to get someone off. Broke it. See? But that is my deal on fidget spinners. I'm going to come out one more time and show you how it sounds with the gold one before we end this video. So this is like supercharged right now. Oh my goodness, this is like defying gravity. So, okay. This is crazy. I have an idea, and I'll be right back to try it before we end this video. So, I'm going to try and stop this. Wow, that hurt. I'll set this over here, and I'll be right back with a cool idea. Okay. So, I'm trying putting a pencil in it, and try spinning it with the pencil in it. So, I'm going to stick it through it, and hopefully somehow wedge it up here. So I think it's wedged enough to where it shouldn't come out. So I'm going to try spinning it now and we'll see what happens. This is going to be cool, I hope. Well, okay, that didn't work as I hoped. So I'll try a different pencil and we'll do that again. I'll be right back. Okay, I just grabbed some different random pencils. Let me see if I can get any to work any better. No, not that one. This one? Definitely not. This one. This might work. Okay, it's really wedged on here. So, I'm going to try this. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Yeah, not as I hoped. That has some nice dings in it now. So, let's try breaking the pencil. Okay. So now it has something to like stay on. Now let's try it. That's gonna mess it up. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of bad marks on here. So I'm gonna try it. Yeah, that's pretty much the thing. That's my idea. So yeah, it's the 1,000-mile-an-hour fidget spinner. Not 1,000 miles, but this is awesome. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will give a thumbs up to these awesome fidget spinners. They are so awesome. You should go get one. Fidget cube, whatever. So this is my recommendation and my trying of doing it. So thanks for watching. Bye.